living in a back street, northeast, west, south, all in the same house. Sitting in the back room, waiting for the big boom. I'm in the bedroom, waiting for my baby. She's so mean, but I don't care. I love her eyes and her wild, wild hair. Dance to the beat we like best. Heading for the 90s, heading for the Wild Wild West. Wild Wild West. Wild Wild West. Wild West. Come help me, Ma, the horses got me. Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip. Started aboard this tropic port, aboard this tiny ship. The mate was a mighty sailing man, skipper brave and sure. 5 passengers set sail that day for a 3-hour tour. A 3-hour tour.
Listen to my story about a man named Jed. Before my meal, Billy kept his family fed. And then one day he was shooting at some food, and up through the ground come a bubbling crude.
Oil, that is.
Texas too.
Well, a horse is a horse, of course, of course. That is, of course, unless the horse is the famous Mr. Ed.
Well, the next thing you know, Jed's a millionaire. And the kinfolk said, Jed, move away from there. Well, they said California is the place you ought to be. So they loaded up the truck and they hooked up Beverly
Hills, that is. Swimming pool.
movie style.
Put your flags in the air and march them up and down. You can live it up all over the town. Turn to the left, turn to the right. I don't care as long as she comes tonight. She's so mean, but I don't care. I love her eyes and her wild, wild hair. Dance to the beat we like best. Heading for the 90s, living in the Wild, Wild West. Wild, Wild West. Yeah, Wild, Wild West. Wild West.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest. It is run by Kate, come and be her guest. And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow. At the junction, the junction,
Junction.
Petticoat Junction. Lots of curves you bet, even more when you get to the junction. Petticoat Junction. Talking about the junction.
Heading for the 90s, living in the 80s, screaming in a back room, waiting for the big boom. You give me Wild West, give me sage sex, give me love, give me time to live it up. She's so mean, but I don't care. I love her eyes and her wild, wild hair. Dance to the beat we like best. Living in the 90s, headed for the Wild, Wild West. Wild, Wild West. Wild, Wild West. Wild West. Come help me, Ma, the horses got me. This time, Wild, Wild West.